Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today you learn color names and shapes names. First, color name. Pink color. Which color is this? Pink. Green color. Which color is this? Green. Light blue color. Which color is this? Light blue. Yellow color. Which color is this? Yellow. Orange color. Which color is this? Orange. Red color. Which color is this? Red. Draw the shapes. Circle. Which shape is circle? Oval. Which shape is oval? Hexagon. Which shape is hexagon? Rectangle. Shape is rectangle. Octagon. Which shape is octagon? Parallelogram. Which shape is parallelogram? Red color, circle. Red color, circle. Pink color, oval. Pink color, oval. Green color, hexagon. Green color, hexagon. Light blue color, rectangle. Light blue color, rectangle. Orange color, octagon. Orange color, octagon. Yellow color, parallelogram. Yellow color, parallelogram. Repeat again. Circle, oval, hexagon, rectangle, octagon, parallelogram. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, next video. Bye bye.